In today's world, homeowners are constantly looking for ways to cut costs and save money. One of the most effective ways to reduce energy bills is by improving your home's energy efficiency, and one of the most impactful areas to address is your windows. If you're a homeowner in Mandeville, upgrading to energy-efficient windows can make a significant difference in both the comfort of your home and your monthly energy expenses. Here's how Mandeville windows can help you lower your energy bills and create a more comfortable living environment. Understanding the role of windows in energy efficiency. Windows are one of the most important elements of your home's overall energy efficiency. Inadequate or old windows can allow heat to escape during the winter and let hot air in during the summer. This forces your heating and cooling systems to work harder, leading to higher energy consumption and ultimately higher energy bills. Mandeville windows are specifically designed to improve insulation and minimize energy loss, ensuring your home remains at a comfortable temperature year-round. With energy-efficient features such as double or triple pane glass, low emissivity, low E coatings, and insulated frames, Mandeville windows help keep the inside of your home well regulated, regardless of the weather outside. Insulated frames and glass. One of the key features of energy-efficient windows is the use of insulated glass and frames. Traditional single-pane windows do little to prevent heat transfer, allowing cold air to enter during the winter and warm air to escape during the summer. Mandeville windows, however, are often equipped with double or even triple glazing, where multiple layers of glass are separated by insulating air or gas pockets. This extra layer of insulation significantly reduces the transfer of heat, helping to maintain a steady indoor temperature. Additionally, the frames of Mandeville windows are crafted from materials that are better at insulating than traditional window materials, such as aluminum or wood. Vinyl and fiberglass frames, for example, provide excellent insulation, preventing drafts and keeping your home more comfortable. These windows work to minimize energy loss, meaning your heating and cooling systems don't have to work as hard. Low E glass coating. Mandeville windows are often equipped with low E glass coatings, which reflect infrared and ultraviolet light. This special coating helps reduce the amount of heat entering or escaping your home. In the summer, it reflects the sun's heat away, keeping your home cooler. In the winter, it reflects your indoor heat back inside, preventing warmth from escaping. The benefits of low E coatings go beyond energy savings. They can also help protect your furniture, flooring, and artwork from sun damage, which is especially important in a sunny place like Mandeville. By filtering UV rays, low E glass helps to maintain the integrity of your home's interior while also boosting energy efficiency. Preventing drafts and air leaks. Air leaks around your windows are a major source of energy loss. Even small gaps can allow warm air to escape in the winter and let hot air in during the summer, forcing your HVAC system to work overtime. Mandeville windows are designed to minimize air infiltration, with high-quality weather stripping and tight seals that ensure no drafts can enter or escape your home. Properly sealed windows are essential for keeping your energy bills low. By preventing air leaks, Mandeville windows help maintain a stable indoor temperature, reducing the workload on your heating and cooling systems and lowering your overall energy consumption. Energy savings throughout the year. The energy-saving benefits of Mandeville windows extend beyond just winter and summer. These windows help regulate the temperature inside your home year-round, allowing you to rely less on artificial heating and cooling. In the warmer months, your home stays cooler with less reliance on air conditioning, and in the cooler months, your home stays warmer with less dependence on heating. The year-round efficiency of Mandeville windows can lead to substantial savings on your monthly energy bills. Depending on the size of your home and the number of windows you replace, you could save hundreds of dollars each year. Reducing your carbon footprint. In addition to saving money, installing energy-efficient windows like Mandeville windows can help reduce your carbon footprint. By using less energy to heat and cool your home, you're contributing to a reduction in overall energy demand. This can have a positive impact on the environment by lowering greenhouse gas emissions associated with energy production. Energy-efficient windows are a smart choice not just for your wallet, but also for the planet. If you're looking to make your home more eco-friendly while also saving money, Mandeville windows are an excellent investment. Increased home value. While energy-efficient windows can reduce your monthly utility costs, they can also increase the value of your home. Potential buyers are often willing to pay more for a home that has modern, energy-efficient features like Mandeville windows. By upgrading your windows, you're not only lowering your own energy bills but also adding value to your home. This can make a big difference when it comes time to sell. Conclusion. If you're looking for a way to reduce your energy bills and improve the comfort of your home, Mandeville windows are an excellent choice. With features like insulated glass, low-E coatings, and high-quality frames, these windows are designed to keep your home more energy efficient, comfortable, and eco-friendly. The money you save on heating and cooling costs will add up over time, and the value they add to your home is an added bonus. Whether you're building a new home or upgrading your current windows, Mandeville windows provide an investment in your home's future and your pocketbook.